Here are two videos, same resolution, same file size, both look fine. One came out of a camera, the other was generated by a model. Send them both through the same upscaler, and something strange happens. The one that was never real comes out worse. To understand why, you have to stop thinking of generated video as video. Real footage carries the fingerprints of physics. Sensor noise, lens blur, motion smear from a real shutter, and compression, over and over every time it was copied. Generated video has none of that. No sensor, no lens, no generations of re-encoding. At the source, it is cleaner than anything a camera has ever produced. But generated video is not undamaged. It carries a different kind of damage entirely. Blur that came from the model's own motion prediction, not a shutter. Colors that bleed between objects because the generator blended them in a compressed, latent space. Textures that are too smooth to be real, and detail that flickers because each frame was imagined slightly differently. Now look at what our upscalers were trained on. Sensor noise, lens blur, JPEG. Every one of them a fingerprint of physics that generated video does not have. We trained a specialist in the wrong disease. Here is why this matters more than any bigger model. Retrain that same small network on damage that actually looks like generator damage, and it gets better at your content, at exactly the same inference cost. Not a bigger model, not more GPU, the same network taught the right disease. That is the highest quality per dollar move available, and almost nobody is making it, because building a degradation pipeline is unglamorous work that no benchmark rewards, which raises the question this chapter cannot answer. If you improve a generated video, what do you compare the result to? There is no original, nothing was ever really filmed. The pristine version you are trying to recover never existed in the first place. So how do you know if you have made it better? Or just made it different? That is where the money starts getting spent, and where most teams start getting it wrong.